Okay guys, for today this video, I will prove you guys that computer is not everything. So I will teach you how to play Attack on Titan Revolution with mobile. So as you can see, he's chasing me. So he's very near you and you have grass. You should double jump like this guys. This jump button is like that. But it will raise 4% of your gas tank. So whenever you're near, just don't get near. Then go left when you hook to the right arm, you will go to the right. So see my movements guys. So when you get caught, wait, I'm gonna like that. You click everything like you're not so whenever you're in the surrounded by enemies a shot after shoot just like this. So these two of them right. See, he armed me to death bro. And I'll be your because look mine. Oh wait, the blades. So guys, play this game on mobile bro. It's very easy. But I use versus at least very fun to play. So when you can get more than that, you must be fast. Because I'm playing in normal. When you get injured, you should buy bandage in the skill shop because it's very important. So guys, I found that so whenever you miss a shot